What's up, everyone? I'm so excited to be back with you today to talk about Zelle. This is a really popular app that people use to send and receive money, but there's one question that I get asked all the time. Does Zelle require a bank account? Well, the short answer is yes, Zelle does require a bank account. But there's a little bit more to it than that. So let's dive in and take a closer look. First, let's talk about how Zelle works. When you set up Zelle, you link it to your bank account. This allows you to send and receive money from other people who also use Zelle. You can send money to someone's phone number or email address, and the money will be deposited directly into their bank account. So, back to the original question, does Zelle require a bank account? Yes, it does. But you don't need to have a checking or savings account. You can also link Zelle to your credit card or debit card. Here are some of the benefits of using Zelle. It's fast and easy to use. It's secure. It's free to use. It's available on most major mobile devices. Now that you know how Zelle works and what the benefits are, let's talk about some of the things to keep in mind when using Zelle. First, make sure you're only sending money to people you trust. Zelle doesn't have a buyer protection program, so if you send money to someone who doesn't pay you back, you're out of luck. Second, be careful about sharing your personal information with anyone. Zelle will never ask you for your social security number or other sensitive information. Third, be aware of scams. There are a lot of scammers out there who are trying to take advantage of people who use Zelle. If you receive an unexpected request for money from someone you don't know, be suspicious. In conclusion, Zelle is a great way to send and receive money. It's fast, easy to use, and secure. But it's important to be aware of the risks before you start using it. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Zelle, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.